sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel O. Alejandra. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong May 29. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung kailangan ba tayo ng Diyos. And this relates to the topic of independence na makikita natin sa Acts chapter 17 verses 24 to 25 na nagsasabing, "The God who made the world and everything in it, being Lord of heaven and earth, does not live in temples made by man, nor is he served by human hands, as though he needed anything, since he himself gives to all mankind life and breath and everything." Sa Tagalog, ang Diyos na gumawa ng sanlibutan at lahat ng naririto ay ang Panginoon ng langit at ng lupa, at hindi naninirahan sa mga templong ginawa ng tao. Hindi rin siya nangangailangan ng anumang tulong o paglilingkod ng tao sapagkat siya mismo ang nagbibigay ng buhay, hininga at lahat ng bagay sa sangkatauhan. So, in this verse alone, it's safe to say that God is independent and self-sufficient. Kasi ano pa bang mo-offer natin sa Panginoon na gumawa ng lahat ng meron tayo? All of the riches, all of the possessions that we may have, kahit anong halaga man yan dito sa mundo, is hindi kailangan ng Panginoon dahil yung Panginoon ang gumawa nito. Hindi niya kailangan ng kahit anong serbisyo natin. Because He is the one that made us capable of those services. Hindi niya kailangan pagsilbihan natin siya. He doesn't need us. God does not need us. In fact, it's the opposite. We need God. Dahil kung hindi tayo ginawa ng Panginoon, wala tayo ngayon. Kung hindi tayo binayayaan ng Panginoon ng talento, hindi natin kayang gawin yung mga bagay na nagagawa natin. Hindi natin kayang magbasa, hindi natin kayang magsulat, hindi natin kayang mag-isip. Even a simple function of the human brain, we can't do anything if God decided that wag natin bigyan ng conscience yang katauhan, then wala na tayo. So we need to be aware of the position that we have. But despite that, God not needing us and us needing God, God invites us to partner with Him, to cooperate with His plan and His will. That's why He gave these things to us, so that we can work with His plan. So live humbly at all times. Kahit na ano yung nakamit mo sa buhay, no matter how successful you are, just know that all of that is because of God, and without God's mercy and love, you are nothing. At the end of the day, ginawa ka ng Panginoon, and you are nothing without God. So learn to depend on God at all times. Huwag kang mahihiyang magdasal at sabihin sa Kanya yung mga pangangailangan mo. Huwag kang mag-aalangan. Magtiwala ka sa Kanya. Because God is there for you. And love God and value what He values, because that is truly what we should do as His creation. We should glorify Him, we should love Him, and we should love what He loves. Yan lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat, and let us all give glory to God.